bucket list buddies, welcome to another episode of my bucket list day. So I promised you a surprise. What you also need to know is I traveled about 4,000 miles to make this surprise happen. I left Glacier National Park. Yes, I know you haven't seen the videos for all of that yet, but you're going to. And I traveled from there 1,400 miles to an undisclosed location somewhere in the Midwest that you're going to be seeing a little later. And I took basically planes, trains, and automobiles to get here. And I got a surprise to reveal to you. And this surprise is going to be epic. And the news I have to share with you is also going to be epic. But before we get into that, I want to remind all of you to always hit the like, subscribe, and the little bell icon to let you know when I'm releasing a new video to follow me. So we are going to have a new format going forward. But let's watch the intro and then we're going to get into the surprise. Hey everybody, welcome back. Now, do you enjoy the beautiful turquoise water behind me? Do you know where I'm at? Well, I'm going to tell you. I'm in Cancun, Mexico, and I had to come down here to release this incredible surprise that I've been talking about. Are you ready to see what this surprise is? It is...
Howdy, kids!
Joanne! Joanne is with me. I came down here to meet her, and the big reveal is Joanne, moving forward, is going to be with me full time.
Full time.
Full time.
All the time.
In the rig.
In the rig.
Do you think she
Full
can
time.
handle me? I can handle her, but do you think she can deal with me? I don't know. I know you.
I can do it.
So this part-time stuff with her coming to visit, we both decided was not the right
Not
thing to do.
working.
So she talked to her company and she realized that she could go part-time, kind of part-time. It's going to be full-time, but part-time. But she, more importantly, can take it on the road
With you.
with me, so she can do her job while she's talking to you. So moving forward, the big surprise,
Us.
JoJo is with me full-time. We are full-time together. Okay? Now, why are we in Cancun doing all of this stuff? Well, we're here because we're going to be doing a little medical procedure for JoJo. And we're going to reveal that in another episode. You're going to see the before and the after, and some might think it's one thing, but you might be surprised it's another thing. But it's very important. It's been something Joanne has been wanting to do for many, many years. But we're going to talk about that, reveal all of our emotions and all of that stuff in the next video, because there are going to be some tears in the next video. So grab your tissues. I'm telling you right now,
Prepare.
the next video is going to have some emotional stuff in there. Okay? But anyway, before we get into all of that, we're going to talk about JoJo and Jeff are now full-time together in the rig. Isn't that exciting news? That's all we're going to release. That's all we're going to reveal. That's it for this episode. Before we go, we want to appreciate all of you that have been following us and all of you that really like, whoops, I got to do this hand. Like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon. I hit the finger, she rings the bell. She does a bell. Anyway, all of you that have done that, we appreciate it. And those of you that are new, come on, she's cute. You gotta watch us. You gotta watch us. We're gonna have a lot more fun together, I think, just by myself. Because I know some of you got a little bored with my...
No, not bored. Just
Just
bored.
He's an old guy. Who wants to watch an old guy? I'd much rather watch.
Fixing shit.
What,
Stuff.
what can I do great at fixing
Stuff.
Yeah, great advice, but it's much better.
Listen.
Oh yeah, you guys that have watched some previous videos, you know
Glue and tape.
glue and tape
That's all
is
you need.
everything for her. Anyway, that's it for this episode. We thank you for watching, and we'll be back on Sunday. Bye.